The purpose of this video is to show you how to build a dental website in 2 minutes with AI using the QueryText CRM. This video will be quite useful for any dental business that want to know how easy it is to build a website, and I will show you the step-by-step process in that. Also, this video will be useful for marketing agencies where you can build unlimited websites in a few minutes. If you haven't already, please take a moment to like and to subscribe to our channel. This is going to be my very first video for QueryText, but there will be upcoming videos where I will show more about the QueryText CRM. Why should you bother? Now, one of the key features we have with QueryText CRM, and I will put the link in the description below, which is a 14-day free trial with no obligation, no contracts, and you can cancel at any time. What this means, you can build a website, create some funnels, test out the system for 14 days, and if it works for you, you can continue using it or you can stop at any time, no questions asked. The QueryText CRM provides a personal assistant, AI assistant that automatically answers your missed call and direct to the right person or website for your booking. That's one of the features. Also, the QueryText CRM, you can manage all your client bookings for your dentist practice with multiple staff members. QueryText CRM will auto respond to your customer reviews with QueryText Reviews AI. As an example, someone posts a review on your social media page or Google My Business or Google Listing. QueryText AI, Reviews AI will be able to auto respond to all those customer reviews so that you have more time on your hand. You can create unlimited blogs, courses for your dentist practice. You can send bulk SMS to retarget existing customers. So there are customers that have come to you in the past to get their teeth fixed or to get things done with their teeth. You can send bulk SMS to retarget those existing customers and send them promotional SMS to say something along the lines of, we have a discount running, come in to get your teeth cleaned for 20% off, as an example. You can centralize all your conversations from different channels in one tab. I will show you guys an example in just a minute. QueryText CRM also provides a two-way SMS for marketing in the appointment setting. So this is where within the QueryText CRM, you can send out promotional SMS to your clients. When they respond back, you will have a two-way conversation with them, so you can keep it quite personal with your customers and customize the plans for them. The QueryText CRM gives you access to all your reporting for your sales tracking, marketing leads, and also can have fast and secured hosting. So let's go into the CRM. Once you have signed up the 14-day free trial, you will have access to the CRM for 14 days where you can build funnels, build websites, online stores, create webinars, build analytics, write blogs, connect to WordPress, client portal, forms, surveys, quizzes, and a whole lot of other features. You can have access to your launchpad. You can have conversation. This is what I meant before, where if you have, as an example, one customer that send you a message via SMS, also that same customer send you an email, so that same customer message you via WhatsApp, all the conversations from that one customer all comes under this one tab here, which is conversation tab. On later videos in the next coming weeks, I'll talk more about in detail about the conversations tab. It's a very exciting and cool feature in our CRM. The calendar is where you have the booking system where you can create appointment settings in your calendar. I won't talk much about this. This will be upcoming videos. You can have unlimited contacts here, so your customers, also your staff members. You can have unlimited staff members. If you have a big practice, you can use that as well. Opportunities, you can set up your marketing funnels, automations, which I won't talk today. But today, this membership, there's I would say at least over 50 features that you can use within our system, within our CRM. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will show you all how to build a dental website in under 2 minutes. So let's go under sites. You go to funnels tab here. So once you sign up to the CRM, you can follow these steps along. Okay, new funnel, and this pop-up comes up. So select the middle one, which is the funnel AI, and click continue. Once it's selected continue, it will ask you for 4 prompts. This is the first 2 of the prompts. So I'm going to enter in Thomas dental practice as an example. Select the industry, which is a dental. Let's say your service is a dental hygienist. So we can select that. You can select dental implants, provider, dental insurance agency, dental laboratory, radiology, dental school, emergency dental service. But in this case, let's say your business is a dental hygienist. So I will select that and go next. From here, you got 2 more prompts to enter, which is the next option is, what do you want for your business? Do you want to generate more leads? Do you want to get more appointments? Do you want to showcase your services, or do you want to sell products and services? In this case, I would select get more appointments. And how do you want the look and feel of your website? Do you want it to look friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous, which has got a good one, which I'll probably will make a video at some point, sarcastic and persuasive. In this case, I will just probably go friendly and select generate. Now, this is how quickly it is when the Kiwitech CRM will build a website within a couple of minutes. While that is building in the background, what's happening is the AI system, or Kiwitech's CRM AI system, is collecting professional photos that you can use on your website. It's collecting content, text, sometimes videos, and it's going to create a template where you can use as a baseline, and then you can log back in and customize the website the way you want. You can add some more photos to it, you can add some more videos to it, you can add your logo to it, you can add your staff members to it, all your services, you can add those services in once the system. So I think that's within 1 minute. The system has built a website. Essentially, it's done, at least a template. So you, as the website developer, if you are doing this for your for website customers, within a couple minutes the system has built it for you, and from here you can go ahead and edit the page directly. You can change the logo if your practice has a different logo. You can add your sections here or your pages. You can add the link to the book now or contact us page. It has some nice background, and it lists out, I'm just going to scroll down here, some very nice photos. These are professional photos. You can change these photos by just clicking on them and changing the photos. I won't go into details how to do this, but you can play around with it because you got 14-day trial. You can add some text here. So for example, I just click on here, I'll just go Thomas design, whatever you're going to add. So the cool thing with our system CRM is we have a drag and drop website builder where you can go in and customize it the way you can. The other thing is it actually listed out the practice that I put in at Thomas Dental Practice in here as well. So I'll just scroll down. So you can customize and change the photo by clicking on here, change the photo you want. Again, I won't go into the details. You can play around with this CRM. Scrolling down, and then you can add customer reviews. You can change the photos of the customer reviews, their names. You can change the number of stars by clicking on this and changing stars. You can change the reviews they've provided you. There's also the frequently asked questions section where you can write some questions in and answer the common questions. And then at the bottom there is the footer section where you can also do a whole lot of things or add stuff here. So you can add social media down here as well. So when I click save, the CRM comes with SEO as well, where you can add content SEO, keywords, social image, links and tags, which is quite cool. You can go and add some keywords in here for your SEO website, and go update SEO meta. Now I'll click save one more time. Now when you go back, what's going to happen is that now you can view this website. So if I click on this here, view page, you can see the web URL is here. Now this is just a temporary one where you can, as a website developer, you can send this to your client, say, hey, log into, you can see the website that I've built for you, provide some feedback so I can make changes to your website. For you as a dental organization, you can see the final layout of the website itself. So this is basically the edit form where you can edit content on the website, and when you go save, it will change in this web address up here. So I'll go back in here. Let's say I'm gonna make a change. I'm just gonna quickly on here and go, maybe this text here, I'm just gonna add a word here, discover your, maybe I'll make this bold, and best smile at Thomas Dental Practice today, discover. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make that bold. Maybe instead of Thomas, I'll go what will be another name? Nathaniel. Don't ask me how I came up with that name, but I'll go and then I'm going to make it bold as well. So right now, the word your and Nathaniel doesn't show bold yet, but once I click save here, so it's really cool to quickly update the website. So when I go back here and if I go refresh, as you guys can see, the word has gone bold, and also the word has been replaced from Thomas into the word Nathaniel. Okay, as you guys can see, it is very fast and quick to design your own website, and as mentioned in the what I mentioned before, you get to trial this out with all the other features within the CRM. 14 days. You can create memberships, you can add storage photo, you can add media storage, you can have WordPress website, have a play around with it. And yeah, I will put a link in the description for that 14-day trial. All right, thank you.